at all. If he falls, he falls. Oh my goodness. Like, I gotta find him every day. I'm not sure.
From
Wow, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, so we're here outside Angkor Wat, and we saw the most amazing thing. We found Vwee. He is a palm tree harvester, so he's going to show us exactly how he does it. What's your name?
Mr. B.
Mr. B. Mr. B is going to show us how he climbs the tree. He's going to climb the tree. He's going to knock down the palm fruit, and we get to film this. We're so excited. Okay, are you ready? Oh, you step here? Is there?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh my God. So he has like these little like spaces in the tree that he climbs with his feet. Doesn't it hurt? Ouch, ouch.
No.
Oh, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
He says, no, it doesn't hurt. Okay, let's watch it. Thank you so much. Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
we're gonna watch this. This is fantastic. Look at this. My goodness. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at him go. That's just so dangerous. Oh, I'd fall down for sure. Amazing. Look how high he is. He's so high. Oh my God. No security. No security at all. If he falls, he falls. That's just so dangerous. Look at him go. Oh my God. He's so strong. That's just amazing. Look, now he's going to go up there. He's going to get these coconuts. I think he knocks him down or he sends him down on a pulley. It's absolutely amazing what he does. Look at that. That is fantastic. Look. I mean, so organized. Look at that. How, oh my God. Look at that. This is so fascinating. Look at, he's got so many fruits. He's going to go take those to market now and sell them. Or he's going to sell them to the market. Now he's going to bring all the rope down. And now he's just going to climb down himself without a rope. Oh my God. He's going to climb down without the rope. I mean, wow. That is absolutely amazing. And he does this, like, I gotta find him every day, I'm not sure. This is absolutely amazing. See, he's got a great big machete to do this. That's amazing. Oh my God. Wow. That's amazing. Wow. You
What?
do every day?
Yeah.
Every day.
Yeah, every day.
Every day. And you have a lot, eh?
What?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 12. A lot.
Yes. 1 tree from 3 from 10. Yes, from
10
here.
each. Yes,
10.
10 of these.
Yes.
Wow.
10, 3, 6.
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
And you sell at the market?
What?
You sell at the market? You go sell, make
Oh,
money?
Yeah.
Ah, this is how he makes money. This is fantastic. Oh, he wants me, okay, to try. Okay. So now what he's going to do is he's going to let us try this. This is palm fruit. Look what he does here. Look, he's an expert at this. He,
1,
1, 2,
3.
3 slices. Okay. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. And look at the fruit inside. Look at the fruit. Sweet, kind of sweet. Juicy, very, very watery. And they make juice out of this. Oh, thank you. Oh, Akun, we got a, look at, he gave us one. All that hard work. Do you want some money?
What?
Money.
Oh,
For this.
I know free.
Oh, Akun.
Yeah, good.
Wow. Okay, so he wants to go and he's going to go take his products to the market and he's going to go make some money. And we're going to go try this with our tuk-tuk driver, Davut. So we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.